Jira versus ServiceNow. Full comparison for project management and ITSM. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two industry-leading platforms for project management and IT service management or ITSM, Jira and ServiceNow. Whether you're managing software development projects or streamlining IT services, this breakdown will help you decide which tool fits your business needs best. Let's dive in. First, we have here the Jira, which is best for agile project management and development teams. First, it is agile project management, supports Scrum, Kanban, and custom workflows, which is perfect for development teams. Second, it has a customizable workflows, tailor workflows to match specific project needs. Third, strong integrations ecosystem, connects seamlessly with tools like Confluence, Bitbucket, and Slack, and more. It is a fourth, it has an advanced reporting, provides real-time insights with burn-down charts, sprint reports, and velocity tracking, but it has two cons. First is the complex setups for beginners. Initial configuration can be overwhelming for new users. 2. Limited ITSM features. Requires additional plugins or products like Jira Service Management for full ITSM capabilities. It is best for development teams, product managers, and organizations practicing Agile or DevOps methodologies. On the other hand, we have the ServiceNow, which is best for IT service management and enterprise solutions. First, it has a powerful ITSM features, seamless incident, problem change, and asset management for IT teams. Second, automation and AI automates workflows using AI-powered virtual agents and machine learning. Third, it has an enterprise-scale integration. Works well with large enterprise systems like ERP, CRM, and HR platforms. 4. It has a custom app development. Built custom enterprise application with low-code tools, but with two cons too. Its steep learning curve. It has a complex interface required for proper training for full utilization, with costly for small business. Pricing is better suited for large enterprises with bigger budgets. It is best for large enterprises and IT service teams looking for an end-to-end platform to manage operations services and workflow skills. Now let's dive into our final verdict. Choose Jira if you're part of development or project management team that needs robust agile features, customizable workflows, and seamless integration with popular developer tools. On the other hand, choose ServiceNow if you're managing large-scale IT services in an enterprise environment and need comprehensive ITSM platform with automation, reporting, and custom app development capabilities. Now, which platform do you think suits your organization's needs better? Let me know in your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.